Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to see the pass swipe on the Yubo app. Now if you want to see the pass swipe on the Yubo app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you can do is that make sure that you have already installed the Yubo app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Yubo app on a device and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of Yubo, where you'll see various options at the bottom taskbar as well as the option which says swipe, and near you at the very upper taskbar. Now being your past swipe such as profile you have swiped right or left on is limited in the free version, and you can manage the swipe history. So if you click on the option like this at the very center of the screen, which is like a blue circle like icon, then this is the undo button. So you just need to click on it and it reverts you to the last swipe and helps you to revisit the profile. So by doing all of it, you will be able to see the past swipe on the free version, but you may also view your swipe history with the elite pack. So you just need to purchase the elite pack and you'll be able to see the past swipe. So that's it. That's how you can see the past swipes on the Yubo app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.